How you doing? I am the doctor. Today's patient, 2014 Ford Focus SE. We're going to be removing the spark plugs and replacing. And I'm going to show you how to do it, what tools to use, and how easy it can be. These are the tools you're going to need right here. 8mm, an extension, ratchet, your 5/8 spark plug socket. This is made for spark plugs right here. See, it has a little washer in the middle to pull out the spark plugs and go down, and a flathead screwdriver with the little clips you have to pop open. Here we go, right here. Let's do it. These are the spark plugs right here we're going to be using. 4-pack Motorcraft spark plugs from O'Reilly's. These are a good brand right here to have. Here we go right now. First is first. We'll pop these out like that, like that. This last one right here, like that. This red clip right here goes all the way in and it locks the plug. You see, so you have to get them right there with that flathead. Pop open all these so you can pull them out that easy, just like that. Now, 8mm. Very easy, see? Not hard to break. See how you broke it like that? Another one. And there we go again. One. That's two. The coil right there. This is for these. Coils don't look too bad. All of them look pretty good. There you are. Yeah. 5/8 long extension. You see that plug right there, that spark plug right there? Just right in like that, pretty good. There, just like that. Now, here we go. There we go. Just a little right now. Let's go with it easy. Okay, take a look. See that? That was burnt right there. Look at that there. Okay, this is one. See what I'm gonna be putting in right here? These are supposed to be pre-gapped already. Forward. That's what I took out. That's what I'm putting in. in there. There it is. There it's down there, right? Nice, snug, and perfect. Now, go to this one. Now I'm gonna put the coil right here back on top, right there. What I'm gonna do is gonna push it straight down like that. Make sure it's there now. So 8 millimeter, don't want to over tighten it. Push that in like that, clear the click. Now here it's locked, just like that. See that step? 8, coil, got ready to pop out. You unplug it, popped it out, and the spark plug. This one is all burnt at the bottom, you see? See that bottom? There's one for that one. What's all the burnt note on this one? There's bank 2. That. Make sure that is all even on right there. There, now you start snugging down the bolt. Put the coils in. Easy, because 8 millimeter, that's a lot of plastic right there. That's it. See, all this like plastic, you don't want that to break through there. Now we listen. Hear that click? The pin that locks it in. Do the same routine going all the way back and all the way forward. Nice, easy way of doing it. It's a fun way of doing it. You know, you're doing it. So the only person to blame if it comes out wrong is you. But I'm the doctor. I'm I'm here to show you easy ways to do it. Okay, battery's all burnt, everything. Here we go. Do the procedure on all of them the same way, on and on. These are the ones I just took out. I put in these. See the difference? All the burnt right in there. Straighten up with the bolt in. Just like that. That's it, just little nub, that's it. Clip. Now, pop. I am the doctor. That is an easy way how to put in spark plugs right there, and a simple way to do it. You have fun doing it too that way. Peace, and have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel.